National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, Perdido Bay area, South Mobile Bay, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of showers with embedded isolated thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts was located 26 nautical miles south of Gulf Shores Beach, moving north at 30 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arc Bay, Lillian Bridge, Sand Island Lighthouse, Bon Sucre Bay, Farewell Buoy, Perdido Pass, Orange Beach, Perdido Bay, Gulf Shores Beach and Dauphin Island Bridge. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. This is no